Welcome to my Sunday dinner. This is a new channel where I'll talk about food I cook for dinner every Sunday and share some of my favorite recipes. For my first video, I'm sharing my Chicken Enchiladasagna recipe, and here's the ingredients. So first, you want to get a rotisserie chicken or have about 3 cooked chicken breasts with the meat all cut up. You want 1 can of your favorite enchilada sauce, 3 8-ounce bags or about 2 pounds of shredded cheese. We use the mix of cheddar and Monterey Jack. You can use more if you want it extra cheesy too. And you want 1 can of refried beans, but that's optional. 18 corn tortillas and an average size casserole dish to put it in, but I like to use an aluminum pan so there's a lot less to clean up. So here's how you make it. Start by pouring a small amount of enchilada sauce in the bottom of the pan and then spread it around so it's evenly covered. Then you want to line the bottom with 6 tortillas. Next, you'll spread a thin layer of refried beans on the tortillas and take about half of your chicken and lay it on top of the beans. After that, sprinkle 1 bag of cheese across the chicken. After that, pour some more enchilada sauce just all around the layer, about 1/4 cup tops. And then I like to season it with this Mexican Fiesta spice from Frontier Co-op. It's a pretty tasty spice blend, but that's optional. Do the same thing as before, 6 tortillas, spread the beans on, add the rest of the chicken, add another bag of cheese, and use the Mexican spice and some more sauce. Now we'll do the top layer. So you want to do 6 more tortillas, and this time pour the sauce on and then spread it all around with a brush so that like every square inch of the tortillas is all saucy. Sprinkle the rest of your cheese on top, add some more of the Mexican spice, and I like to put some cilantro leaves on top, but that's also optional. Now all you have to do is pop it into a preheated 350-degree oven and bake it for a ½ hour. When it's done, it'll look like this. Let it sit for about 5 or 10 minutes, then cut it into slices like this. You'll easily be able to feed 4 or 5 with this, or have lots of leftovers for the rest of the week. I also like to serve it with some homemade Mexican rice, and I'll do another video for that recipe soon. So if you like this recipe, or if you made it, come back, let me know if you like it, and I guess that's about it. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time with my next recipe.